Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Spoken English Radio. I'm Sarah.
And I'm James.
Welcome to Episode 9. In the last 2 episodes, we talked about the present, but today we're jumping into a time machine.
We are going to the past.
Specifically, the past simple tense. This is the tense you use to tell stories, talk about your history, or answer the famous question, "What did you do last weekend?"
This tense is very useful, but it can be frustrating because English has many rule breakers.
Yes, the famous irregular verbs. Go becomes went. See becomes saw. It's crazy.
So today, we will look at the rules for regular verbs, the list of irregular verbs, and how to make negative sentences without making mistakes.
Then, we will listen to a story about my terrible camping trip last weekend. Okay, James. First, when do we use the past simple?
We use it for actions that started and finished in the past. It is over. It is done. Example, I lived in Paris in 2010. I don't live there now.
Now, how do we build it? Let's start with regular verbs.
These are the good boys of grammar. You just add ed to the end. Walk, walked. Play, played. Cook, cooked.
Simple. But what about the irregular verbs?
These are the bad boys. They don't follow rules. You just have to memorize them. Go becomes went. Eat becomes ate. Have becomes had.
And finally, the negative rule. This is where everyone makes mistakes. To say no, we use the helper didn't, did not.
But be careful. After didn't, the main verb stays normal. Correct. I didn't go. Wrong. I didn't went.
Remember, didn't steals the past tense. Okay, let's see these rules in action. James, ask me about my weekend.
Hey, Sarah. You look tired. How was your weekend?
Oh, James, it was a disaster. I needed a break, so I decided to go camping.
Camping? That sounds fun. Where did you go?
I went to Blue Lake. I packed my car on Friday afternoon and drove for 3 hours.
So far, so good. Did you set up your tent?
Well, I tried, but when I arrived, I realized a terrible mistake. I forgot the tent poles.
Oh, no. You didn't have a tent? So where did you sleep?
I slept in the back seat of my car. It was so uncomfortable. And then it started to rain.
Of course it did. Did you eat anything good at least?
Not really. I planned to cook sausages on a fire, but because of the rain, I couldn't start the fire. So I ate cold beans from a can.
That sounds miserable. Did you stay for the whole weekend?
No. I woke up on Saturday morning, looked at the rain, and said, nope. I packed up and came home immediately.
Smart choice. So what did you do on Sunday?
I stayed in my warm bed, watched movies, and ordered a pizza. It was perfect.
Honestly, that sounds better than camping anyway.
Okay. Let's analyze the verbs from my sad story. First, the regular verbs ending in ed.
You used decided, packed, arrived, started.
And we used many irregular verbs. I went, go. I drove, drive. I slept, sleep. I ate, eat. I came, come.
And finally, the negative. Sarah said, I didn't have a tent.
Notice I said didn't have, not, didn't, had.
And for the fire, I couldn't start the fire. Couldn't is the past of cannot.
So, listeners, you have some memorizing to do. The list of irregular verbs is long, but you use them every day.
For your homework, tell us one thing you did yesterday and one thing you didn't do.
Example, I watched TV, but I didn't study.
We will correct your verbs in the comments. If you want to support the channel, please like this video and share it with a friend who is learning English.
Thanks for tuning in to Spoken English Radio.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Keep learning. Watch the next recommended videos to improve your English.